What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am back with a 1-minute video. I love this varsity jacket. All of these items are from Shein. I'm super in love with the 4-pack of shirts. The cream one I'm wearing, this white one, this beautiful, like really pretty, like apricot-y orange and black. They have jeans, you guys, and I've been super happy with the jeans. I'm wearing the dark denim pair that I just got. It's like a bootleg. And then this one is sort of like a rough cut hem or bottom. You also can get coats on Shein. This one has like all sorts of zipper compartments, pockets. It has like little patches. You guys definitely check out the Black Friday sale. And when you do, use my code 15BBG to save yourself some money. You barely have to spend anything to get free shipping. Anyways, you guys, I am loving all of these clothes from Shein. You guys definitely check out what's new and don't forget to use my code. All right, you guys, I'm out of here. Bye, guys.